In this video, I will show you how to solve the problem of you making an update on your WordPress website, but it is not reflecting, or the changes are not reflecting. So for example, you come here, let's say you click on edit with Elementor, something like this. Then I'll just show you. Yeah. So let's say that I come here and make a change. Okay. Add some word like, okay, so let me say I delete the sleek and just leave it as modern siding solutions tailored to your unique version. Then I click on update. Sometimes you will update it, and then when you refresh it, which is supposed to show on the website, it doesn't show. So the reason why the changes may not be taking effect, or the update may not be taking effect, is that there is some cache information that is interfering with it. So this is how you have to do. You come in, there are several ways, but I'm just going to show you whichever options that you will select, and it works for you fine. You come and install this one, WP fastest cache. So you come to your plugins, go to add new plugin, then type WP fastest cache. WP, there are many of them. So you install this one. I have already installed it. Okay. So after you installed it, you come to come and then open it. Then you come here and click on, you see under the delete cache, you see clear all cache. Okay. So you click on it. I am not clearing it because I don't have that problem. I'm just trying to demonstrate to you. So you click on clear all cache. Okay. Then it will delete all the cache that you have. After it delete, then you go back and then you go back and refresh the site. If it still doesn't go, you come back again and do the editing. Sometimes maybe the update wasn't even successful. You come back and re-update it again, and then go and refresh, and you will see that the changes will take effect. If you do that and it doesn't work, come back and then install WP Optimize. Okay, Optimize. This is also another app that can help resolve that issue. You try Optimize, and at the end of the day, one of them will definitely resolve the problem for you. So if you try that, leave your comments in the comment section. Let me know whether you got the solution or not. If you didn't get a solution, let me know and I'll come in to help you. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video.